welcome back to the channel AI Code Cascade. My name is Laur Khan, I am your host. Today we learn how we can develop the next project with the Tailwind CSS. So this is totally for the beginner to pro full guide 2025. So we learn today how we can create a Next.js project and integrate the Tailwind CSS and use Claude AI for the create some magical with AI. So in the end of this tutorial we learn how we can use AI for creating project. In step 1, set up project. So first we can create a Next.js project with using the CMD. So first we can open the CMD of our system and enter the command they are shown in the screen. After the enter the command, then click on the enter button, and the system asks some question like Tailwind CSS. So first we can select no, and this is select by default no, and SRC are no and this bus. Then they can proceed and create a Next.js project at the basic level with some templates, so we can wait of some time. So the project are successfully created, and now I can clear the CMD with the command CLS and hit the enter button. So now we can go to the project folder structure, CD and project name. Now we can move to the install Tailwind CSS. So this is our step 2. So in step 2, Tailwind CSS installation. So first we can go to the official site of Tailwind CSS for the latest installation. So first click on the first link, and then click on the get starting button, and after that go to the framework guide and select Next.js. So first step we can already done, and now we can go to the second line and copy this line and go to the CMD and paste this line into our CMD and enter the hit button. So then they are easily installed the Tailwind CSS with the latest variant in our Next.js project. They are completed. So now we can integrate some Tailwind configuration. So open the VS Code and go to the Tailwind configuration. Now in this step we can Tailwind configuration. So time to configure Tailwind CSS properly. So first we need to create a post CSS configuration file. So create the post configuration file and paste the code from copy here, and this is the first step of configuration, and after that we can save this and go to the global.css. So this is the template CSS. Already we can import the Tailwind CSS, copy here and go to the global.css and paste here. So this is our second step. So the Tailwind configuration are perfectly done. Now we can move to step 4. In this step we can move to the basic implementation of the hello world. So first we can modify the pay.tsxx file. So for that we can go for the official site of Tailwind CSS and copy the code of pay.tsxx. Okay, so for that I can go to the Tailwind site in this screen show. Now copy this code and paste onto the pay.tsx file. So I can paste here and save the file, Control S, and now we can command run npm dev. So in the VS Code terminal I can write npm run dev, and they give me a localhost 3000 port. So I can copy this URL and open on the browser. So let's see, this is our results of hello world with the Tailwind CSS styling. Now in step 5, Claude AI integration with the magic. So first we can go to the Claude.ai on the browser and open with the first link. So now I can write some prompt on this chatbot system. So I can write this the prompt. Now this current code of page.tsx, make sure create a modern looking page with the proper styling and configuration with the background animation and the expert UI UX designer. So you can easily see this command in your description. So you can copy this prompt from the description easily and paste on the Claude AI. Okay, so I can write the prompt, and after that I can go the copy of the current page.tsx code. Okay, so I can show this the current code of the structure and copy the current code of my page.tsx and paste into the AI chatbot. After that I can write the with Tailwind CSS please. Okay, so after that I can enter the hit button and the Claude AI generate code for me. So look at this, Claude has generated a completely transformation version of our page with the modern animation, gradients and professional styling. This is the power of AI assistant development. Okay, so that's all from the Claude AI advantages. If you use the AI chatbots, they all always help you as a superpower of the code. So kindly explore the AI chatbot for this. So this is our results. Now I can copy the code and replace our simple implementation of VS Code. So in step 6, implementation and the results. Now I can copy all the code and replace with my simple page code, and now I can save. After saving we can go to the browser and open the URL localhost. So here is the magic. Look at the transformation for the simple hello world to the professional animated landing page with the gradient, smooth transition and the modern design. So this page is fully responsively including hover effects, follow the modern UI UX principles. So this will taken hours of the code manually, but AI will achieve in a minute. So let me share some pro tips for using Claude AI effectively in your web development. So step 1, so be specific, always provide your current code context. And in step 2, mention framework important, so specify Tailwind CSS, React, Next.js etc. In 3, define style, ask for the specific design approaches, modern, minimalistic etc. In 4, iterate, you can ask Claude to modify specific aspects. And after 5, in 5th point, responsive design, so always request to the mobile responsive layout. Okay, you also check Claude to add specification features like dark mode animation or integration with the AI APIs वगैरह and the possibilities and the endless. So conclusion, and there you have it. We have successfully created a modern professional web application with using the Next.js and the Tailwind CSS, the power of the Claude AI. So within 8 to 10 minutes we can create a hello world with the landing page. Amazing. So recap, step 1, Next.js with the TypeScript configuration, Tailwind CSS, Claude AI for the instant UI UX enhancement and the create professional responsive web application. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Claude AI Cascade. So, or for the more AI powered development tutorials, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you do like to see next. So remember, AI is not here to replace developer, it's here to make us more efficient and the creative. So until the next time, keep coding and keep cascading with AI.